guys, welcome back to Let's Go Mommy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we make our DIY kits. Now in this video, we are going to be using it for our backpacks in case we need tissues, lotion, Vaseline for our lips, hair bands, just all of that stuff if we need it. But you do not have to use it for your backpack. We are just going to be showing you the materials you need. But in this video, my little sister will be joining me. So her name is Bear. Her nickname is Bear. We don't like to give away.
And her nickname is Gemma.
Yeah. So if you hear each other calling, if you hear us calling each other those names, it's because they are nicknames.
Because we don't want to give away our real names.
Yes. So without further ado, let's get started.
That was good.
We can just...
So we are back.
And the first thing you are going to need for your first aid kit is a makeup bag. You can get it from Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure where we got these. But they're you don't want it. Yeah, you want a good size bag. You don't want a huge bag that you're not going to be able to fit in your backpack. You want a nice sturdy bag that you can fit lots of stuff in and that's easy to open up and get out.
And what you also don't want is a little mini bag like this, because it won't hold most of the stuff. Yeah. It'll only hold the cotton balls or something like that. It can hold a little bit of things that go inside it.
But just don't use that as your main bag because you're not going to fit a lot of things in that. This type. So we're just going to start by naming everything, then we'll show you when we put them in.
And in case we're if you hear any background noises, we're
leaning up against our closet.
It's super jingly.
Yeah, it's super, it's that sound. So if you're wondering what that is, that's the closet.
So the second things that you need are, you need some
Q-tips.
Yeah, Q-tips in case something's in your ear or something. And you also need cotton balls in case
something.
Yeah, just something.
Yeah, just it's always in case of an emergency. For that's what first aids are for. Yeah. So she's gonna do main things, and I have braces. So if you don't know, I have a lot of cleaning stuff. So I'll get to that after she's done.
Probably not gonna know what that is, and she's probably not gonna explain it. But it's just stuff.
Yeah.
So you are, of course, going to need Band-Aids. So I have this little Band-Aid carrier thing that has Band-Aids, and I got it. So this is going to be the first thing that I'm adding.
You're not going to put it in yet. You're going to tell them. Just because it's going to be easier that way.
You are going to need some Band-Aids. Of course, you do not need a holder. You just need Band-Aids. If you want, you just put them in a bag like this. But like this. So that is the third item. You also need some hair bands. So we have a bag full of hair bands. So we're not going to take all of them. We're just going to take 2 or 3 maybe.
2 or 3.
So we're going to pick out the ones that we want, and we'll show you them.
We'll do it after.
Okay.
Let's just show everything.
You also need tissues. So I got this cute little heart pack of tissues with a heart on it. And this cool little stripey sort of design. And you're also going to need lip balm because you have chapped lips or something. So I have this really good smelling cherry flavored and scented lip balm. So you're going to use
that. Is we're going to share all this except for the Band-Aids because I have my own. But I'm just going to start off with, what about this?
Oh, yeah, and you might need a squishy if you're stressed at recess or something.
Yeah.
I wouldn't sneak it in class because you could get in trouble.
Yeah, but just...
Or just a stress toy. Maybe.
Yeah, or if you just want to play with it. But, so for my things, I have these 2 tissue packets. Then I have, here, I'll save the braces for last. But I have this Wild Passion Flower hand cream. She does not have hand cream.
Because my hands
don't really get chapped, but mine do. So I have this lotion. It's not a huge lotion. I have that. And then I have this Vaseline here. It's just in case my lips get chapped or dry because they always get dry. I have this mini hand sanitizer that I'm going to keep. I think she'll probably find one and put it in.
Yeah, I'll just...
But this is the hand sanitizer I have.
It's like you never know, you could touch a worm on accident or something.
Or killing mosquitoes, because the mosquitoes are really bad.
Super bad at my school.
We always kill them, and they get the guts all over our hands, so this will come in handy. So next thing we have Band-Aids. So we have these Minion Band-Aids.
We also have blister Band-Aids in case you have blister.
Yep, we have these blister ones and
waterproof ones.
Yep, waterproof. Like, I always like to have a mix of Band-Aids because you never know, like, if you're going to get a blister, or I always like the waterproof Band-Aids because they actually stay on better than the normal ones. Next thing I have is this donut squishy. It is pretty squishy. You do not have to have a stress reliever. We just have them, and we do not mean this big of a squishy, because that's going to take up the whole space.
It might not even fit in there.
Yeah, it might not even fit, so we just mean like a small mini squishy. Now onto the braces stuff. So you're probably wondering, what the heck is Gishy Goo? Gishy Goo is a really weird name. It's this goo that you mold up and you stick it back. It's flavored bubblegum. You stick it back in your mouth to cover up any pokes with all the brackets and stuff. So I use that sometimes.
I don't know what a bracket is, but it's just something that
it's just something in my mouth. And they can sometimes be pokey. I also have this tooth cleaner in case I get stuck in any of these small little brackets. So I have that. And then I'm thinking my plan is to put the Band-Aids in here so they are not everywhere. But we will figure out what our plan is, and we will get back to you.
Yeah, so we'll be back once we have
our plan figured out of what we're what we're gonna put in this.
Yeah, and what color rubber bands and stuff. So I picked out these 3 colors: orange, pink, and yellow.
So that was her decision. And I picked out a fat orange one, a fat black one, a small little yellow one, and a thin pink one that we don't normally use, so that's why I have so many.
I also got a little hair clip that's teal in case
your hair falls out. So we are going to start packing up. I think the first thing I'm going to start with is this mini little bag. I'm going to keep the Band-Aids in, so I'm not going to put any Minions in. You can have some more if you want, but here's the Band-Aid box. I'm going to get a small one.
Ooh, yeah, I want some waterproof ones.
Yeah.
Please.
A big one. That's a big one. Okay. That's one.
I have my waterproof one, and
I'm only going to take
squishy.
I'm only going to take this much. I have 3 large ones and 1 little small one. So I'm going to put those in.
Okay, I'm going to start taking out my... So we're going to open this up. And I'm going to take... We can get refills like later on this
if we
year.
ever run out.
I'm just going to take 2. I think that will be enough. 2 each, right?
Yeah.
Right, Jen?
Mm-hmm. So I just came over a problem. The Band-Aids do not fit. The only one that fits is a little one. So I'm kind of stuck on what I should do. Should I fold them? Or
can I get I think that might like break the Band-Aids. Not break it, like bend it. So now I'm gonna take some of these. I love how it sounds like whenever you plop it open.
Okay, these don't fit, so I'm gonna have to figure something else for that. But I'm gonna put I have the small one in here. I'm gonna put these.
I'm gonna just take 5. Only because these are smaller than cotton balls because we have many more.
I'm gonna
just
take
sticking
a few.
I'm
gonna take these few, see if they fit. Hopefully they do.
I also like putting the cap on like this head.
Yeah.
Like big so it makes it everything.
Can't get these in.
I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but just me. It doesn't make a really weird cool noise. So mine's all done. I'm just gonna see if you can you see it? That's what it looks like. Cotton balls at the very end, rubber bands, or hair ties.
I'm gonna have to think of a different situation, but I'm keeping Q-tips, hair ties, and I'm gonna try to fit a few cotton balls. I'm just gonna do 4.
So mine is all complete.
So, I'm going to keep working on mine because I'm not even close to being done.
Yeah, Jem is not close to being done.
Actually, I'm only going to do 3. So, I have them in here. That's
Cool
done.
bag.
Here, you want to put that back?
Okay.
So I'm just going to, oh, I forgot the blister ones.
Oh, yeah,
I'll just
me
put it
too. I
with them.
totally did.
Band-Aid. That is huge, so we're only going to have 1 per person.
Yeah.
So this
We
is
will
gonna
get
go
refills if you need.
with the Band-Aids. I'm going to have to think of a different thing because I'm not sure what I'm going to use for that.
Okay, we're done with our
But,
Band-Aids, right?
yeah, we're done with the Band-Aids. Let's see. Next thing, I'm going to pop in the
Are we done with
cream.
these?
Not the cream. Yeah, we are. The Vaseline, the lotion, hand sanitizer,
Yeah, don't do that.
squishy, gishy goo. I'll put that in. That thing. Tissues. And this thing. And then trying to think. Ooh, okay, so I have an idea for the Band-Aid, so I will be back once I get the thing for the idea.
Yeah, well, she has her idea. So we're back.
And
We have a few extra things,
yes, so
items that we
I
didn't show.
found the mosquito cream because the mosquitoes are so
And
bad.
I also got a cute little penguin notebook because, like, you never know if you need a little notebook to write something in.
And then I found this cheetah print. Bear was nice enough to give it to me, so I keep my Band-Aids because, like, do you see how big this blister is?
Like, not to give it, but
yeah, but like
use it.
for me to use.
Like, if I need to use it for something,
then I'll give
she'll
it
let
back.
me.
But this is just like a nice little pouch that actually fits the blistered thing. I do have 2 of them, but one keeps cotton balls, Q-tips, and hair bands, and another one keeps Band-Aids, and then the mosquito cream will go in here. So we're just going to give you a quick tour. So I have the squishy. This is all what's in there. I have the tissues, the squishy, gishy goo, all my braces stuff. These
I already did show
the
it
pouches,
before.
mosquito cream, tissues, lotion, Vaseline.
I have the tissue
all
stacked
that
up.
good stuff.
I have the tissue stacked up along with, stop your spinning, along with this little notebook thing.
You can't see the camera can't see it. That's why I lifted it up.
The squishy, the Band-Aids, the hair ties, the cotton balls, and those things are all stuck back there, if you can see.
So we have to clean everything up that we got out, and we will get back to you once that's done. So this is what the final products look like. This is what mine looks like.
And then this is what mine looks like. We do have our backpacks with us. We just got them.
So we have our backpacks with us to show you guys what pocket we're putting them in, and to show you they will fit. So I'm just gonna unzip my pocket, and then I will show you guys. So this pocket right here, that's open. Can you see that? Okay, it's open right there. That's the pocket.
I don't know if it'll all fit because it has a notebook in here.
But show them so they can see it.
Here. I have like 6-sided pens and highlighter things in my
So
pockets.
that is what it looks like. You can't really see it, but that is, it fits perfectly. There's enough room, and I still have lots of other pockets to keep all my other stuff in. So
Okay, no.
that is great.
I know which one it will fit in though.
So, this unfortunately is the end of the video, but make sure you
I do
guys
have this pocket, but it's
give this video a big thumbs up.
Comment down below if you have ever done this.
If you comment down below if you're gonna make a first aid kit and what you're gonna put in it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Turn it from red to gray. And last thing is go check out letsgomommy.com to find out all the fun activities in the Green Bay area. Bye!